Hello, welcome to the AC Silver store and our channel. I'm going to talk to you today about this quite magnificent antique Victorian sterling silver wine ewer we currently have in stock. Made in 1843 by Samuel Hayne and Dudley Carter. The silversmiths have actually produced quite exceptional work here. Cast components all put together beautifully, highlighted by these magnificent figural decoration, beautifully applied cartouche with a contemporary bright cut engraved coat of arms. It has fine detailing with this such impressive chase decoration. It's just quite magnificent in its construction. It retains its original gilt interior, always a sign of quality. And the fact that this piece is 87.2 troy ounces for its size, relatively, it makes it quite an exceptional gauge thickness of silver. The other thing I like to see, with such a piece that I include within my inventory, which are only finest examples, is their condition. This example has been rarely handled. Everything remains, the decoration remains very sharp. Any engraving is really crisp. So quite a magnificent example, which are becoming increasingly difficult to locate, and certainly in this condition. So quite a magnificent piece of English Victorian silver. So if you'd like to receive any further information or about this piece, as always, you can contact us via telephone or directly by email, and I'm always happy to answer any queries or questions you may have. In the meantime, however, I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.